Hello, I'm going to show you how to make an alarm system. This is the whole system. Wires and no blocks. It might be easy if you don't have the blocks. Go through it, makes a little sound. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so we're going to get this big thing. I'm going to put this 2x1 block wire thing. I don't know. I'm going to place these blocks. Like this. Now, get this boy. Yeah. I'm gonna color them at the end soon. Now, I get this biggie wire. Biggie boy. We're gonna go all the way down. We're gonna get your corner wires over here. This. And like that. That there. And now, we're gonna paint it. You can also do your own colors if you want, okay? The top part's gonna be black. This part's gonna be neon. This is gonna be lime olive thing. I don't know. It's gray. Then this is cyan. And that's how you do it. Let me demonstrate. That's the tutorial. Subscribe, please. They carded me. I need help.